Right, this reaction is the reaction between sodium thiosulfate and hydrochloric acid, and it is the rates of reaction experiment. To start with, we will need a timer, a conical flask, a printed X on a piece of paper, and of course we need our sodium thiosulfate solution, a hydrochloric acid, and some water to do the dilutions. First case, we start with 10 milliliters of sodium thiosulfate solution. I should measure that out. And the sodium thiosulfate solution has a concentration of 40 grams per cubic decimeter. That. Then we'll dilute it a little with some water. We'll need 40 milliliters of water. I've already measured that out, and that's the sodium thiosulfate solution, and that makes it our most diluted solution. I mix that in there like that. Now the reaction starts when I add the hydrochloric acid, and in this case it's 10 milliliters of hydrochloric acid. It's concentrated. We have to treat it with care. Just checking. Measure it out in this small measuring cylinder. I'll use this measuring cylinder only for the hydrochloric acid. Now the reaction will start as soon as we mix these two solutions, and to do that we have to start the stop clock about the same time. I give it a swirl, and then what I have to do, I have to observe the X through the solution. As the reaction proceeds, sulfur will be produced and it will obscure the X. When the X is obscured, that's the time I'll stop the stop clock. So I need to look vertically down just to make sure I can still see the X. It may take a while, so keep on looking, but get ready to stop the stop clock the moment the X disappears. I can just see it's just starting to go a little bit turbid. It's developing a little bit of a colour, and a small amount, so I've got to be more prepared. And there we go, it's darkening up, it's thickening. And the precipitated sulphur will form between my eyes and the X, and I won't be able to see the X. So far we've been running for just over a minute, and you can see it's getting slowly thicker and thicker. It's a very pale yellow colour. And it's important you look straight down. Any minute now. Still see it. Now, and that's it. At this point, it's impossible to see the X through the precipitated sulphur, and we say this is as far as we want the reaction to go, so this is time we stop the stop clock. Right, we'll discard this solution and we'll redo the reaction again, then we will make the other dilutions as we go and repeat the experiment exactly the same. And that's it.